A mysterious object is racing toward our solar system at incredible speed, and scientists are scrambling to understand what it really is. In the summer of 2025, astronomers made a discovery that has sent shockwaves through the scientific community. A massive visitor from interstellar space that's unlike anything we've ever encountered. Some researchers are asking the unthinkable question, could this be something artificial? Today we'll explore the mind-bending discovery of 3I Atlas, and investigate whether we might be witnessing our first contact with alien technology. A rare visitor from deep space. Picture this. You're looking up at the night sky, completely unaware that something extraordinary is racing toward us from the depths of interstellar space at unimaginable speed. In the summer of 2025, astronomers detected exactly that, a massive cosmic wanderer that has been traveling through the galaxy for potentially billions of years before finally entering our solar system. This isn't just any ordinary asteroid or comet from our familiar cosmic neighborhood. This is 3I Atlas, a visitor from another star system entirely, carrying with it secrets from the far reaches of our galaxy that could revolutionize our understanding of how planetary systems form and evolve. What makes this discovery absolutely mind-blowing is that we're witnessing only the third confirmed interstellar object ever detected in human history. The rarity of such encounters means that most of us will never see another visitor like this in our lifetimes. As 3I Atlas races through our solar system at 61 kilometers per second, it's providing scientists with an unprecedented opportunity to study materials that originated around a completely different star, potentially offering our first glimpse into the composition and characteristics of distant worlds we may never be able to visit directly. The breaking discovery. Here's the moment that changed everything we thought we knew about our cosmic neighborhood. The discovery of 3I Atlas represents only the third confirmed interstellar object ever detected passing through our solar system, placing it in an extraordinarily rare category of cosmic visitors. To put this rarity in perspective, astronomers estimate that only one interstellar object larger than 100 meters crosses our solar system annually. Yet most remain completely undetected due to their incredible speed and darkness. Robert Jedica from the University of Hawaii has calculated that detecting these objects requires perfect timing and cutting-edge technology working in harmony. The significance of 3I Atlas cannot be overstated. It joins the legendary one, I Oumuamua, discovered in 2017, and 2I Borisov found in 2019 as the only confirmed messengers from other star systems. What makes this discovery particularly groundbreaking is its massive size and unusual characteristics that are forcing scientists to reconsider their understanding of interstellar objects. Unlike typical asteroids or comets from our solar system, these visitors carry secrets from distant star systems, potentially harboring materials and information that could revolutionize our understanding of planetary formation, galactic evolution, and perhaps even the possibility of life beyond Earth. Each new interstellar detection brings us closer to understanding the true nature of our galaxy's wandering population. The discovery story. The incredible story of how we discovered this cosmic wanderer began in the final days of June 2025, when the Atlas telescope system at Rio Hurtado Observatory in Chile captured something extraordinary moving against the starfield. Larry Deneau, a key member of the Atlas survey team at the University of Hawaii, was conducting routine observations when the automated detection software flagged an unusual fast-moving object. The initial designation A11PL3Z was assigned to this mysterious visitor as astronomers worldwide scrambled to confirm its interstellar origin. John Tonry, the principal investigator of the Atlas project, immediately coordinated with observatories across the globe to track the object's trajectory and confirm its hyperbolic orbit. Within 48 hours of detection, follow-up observations revealed pre-discovery images dating back to June 14, 2025, indicating the object had been silently approaching our solar system for weeks. The challenge of detecting 3I Atlas stemmed from its path through the dense star fields near Sagittarius, where countless background stars made it nearly invisible against the crowded stellar backdrop. Once confirmed as an interstellar visitor, the Minor Planet Center officially designated it as 3Y Atlas, marking a historic moment in astronomy. This rapid confirmation process demonstrated the remarkable advancement in our ability to detect and track these rare cosmic messengers. A stranger in our midst. Alright, Get ready to be amazed by the extraordinary characteristics that make 3I Atlas unlike any object we've ever studied in our solar system. This interstellar giant is racing through space at a mind-boggling 61 kilometers per second relative to our Sun. A velocity so extreme it actually proves the object originated from beyond our solar system's gravitational influence. Marco Michelli from the European Space Agency has determined that 3Y Atlas measures approximately 11.2 kilometers in diameter, making it significantly larger than both previous interstellar visitors combined. To put this massive scale in perspective, this cosmic wanderer is roughly the size of a small city, totally dwarfing the mysterious Oumuamua, which measured only about 400 meters in length. Daryl Seligman from Michigan State University pointed out that the object's brightness and size make it an unprecedented target for detailed scientific study. Unlike typical solar system objects that follow predictable elliptical orbits around the Sun, 3I Atlas follows a hyperbolic trajectory that will carry it back into the depths of interstellar space. The comet has developed a spectacular 25,000-kilometer-long tail as solar radiation heats its ancient ices, creating a magnificent display visible through powerful telescopes. This combination of extreme size, speed, and activity makes 3I Atlas a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for astronomical research. The predecessors. To understand the true significance of 3I Atlas, we really need to look back at the groundbreaking discoveries that paved the way for this moment. The very first interstellar visitor, 1I Oumuamua, was discovered on October 19, 2017 by Robert Warwick using the Pan-STARRS 1 telescope in Hawaii. This cigar-shaped object, measuring roughly 400 meters long, totally baffled scientists with its unusual tumbling motion and mysterious acceleration that couldn't be explained by gravitational forces alone. Avi Loeb from Harvard University famously proposed that Oumuamua might be artificial in origin, sparking some pretty intense debate in the scientific community. 2 years later, amateur astronomer Gennady Borisov discovered 2Y Borisov on August 30, 2019 from his observatory in Crimea. Unlike the enigmatic Oumuamua, Borisov behaved like a typical comet, developing a coma and tail as it approached the Sun. Alan Fitzsimmons from Queen's University Belfast led extensive spectroscopic studies that revealed Borisov's composition was remarkably similar to comets in our own solar system. These discoveries established that interstellar objects come in different varieties, some mysterious and unusual like Oumuamua, others more familiar like Borisov. The cosmic journey. So let's follow the incredible path this ancient wanderer will take as it sweeps through our solar system over the coming months. Davide Farnocchia from NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory has precisely calculated that 3Y Atlas will reach its closest approach to the Sun, called perihelion, on October 29, 2025 at exactly 11:41 Universal Time. At this critical moment, the comet will be positioned 1.36 astronomical units from the Sun, about 203 million kilometers away, perfectly situated between the orbits of Earth and Mars for optimal observation conditions. This cosmic dance includes several remarkable planetary encounters that provide unique scientific opportunities. On October 3, 2025, the comet will pass just 0.19 astronomical units from Mars, only 28 million kilometers away, potentially allowing Mars-based instruments to conduct unprecedented close-range observations. Following its solar encounter, 3Y Atlas will swing past Venus on November 3, 2025 at a distance of 0.65 astronomical units before beginning its journey back to interstellar space. Earth remains completely safe throughout this celestial ballet, with the closest approach occurring on December 19, 2025 at a comfortable distance of 1.8 astronomical units, or about 270 million kilometers. This trajectory provides astronomers with multiple observation windows and vantage points throughout the solar system, maximizing scientific opportunities. A scientific gold mine. The arrival of 3I Atlas represents, honestly, an unprecedented scientific opportunity that has mobilized the global astronomical community like never before. Karen Meach from the University of Hawaii is leading an international consortium of researchers conducting comprehensive studies of the comet's composition, structure, and behavior. The James Webb Space Telescope, under observations coordinated by Stephanie Milam from NASA Goddard Space Flight Center, has been scheduled to conduct detailed infrared spectroscopy to identify complex organic molecules within the comet's nucleus. Alan Fitzsimmons from Queen's University Belfast has already detected unusual isotopic ratios in the comet's gas emissions using the Gemini Observatory, suggesting formation conditions vastly different from our local environment. Ground-based facilities including the Very Large Telescope in Chile and the Keck Observatory in Hawaii are providing continuous monitoring of brightness changes and spectral evolution. Bin Yang from the European Southern Observatory has identified traces of exotic water vapor with unusual deuterium concentrations, indicating the comet formed in an extremely cold environment around a different type of star. This coordinated global campaign represents the most comprehensive study of an interstellar object ever conducted, with data collection providing insights into star formation processes, planetary system evolution, and the distribution of life-building molecules throughout our galaxy for decades to come. Unanswered questions. Despite intensive observations, 3I Atlas continues to harbor profound mysteries that challenge our understanding of interstellar objects and their origins. Quanji Ye from the University of Maryland has been tracking unexpected brightness variations that just don't match typical cometary behavior, suggesting the object may have an unusual internal structure or composition. The comet's reddish coloration, observed by multiple telescopes worldwide, indicates the presence of organic compounds, but the exact nature of these materials, well, it remains unknown. Matthew Knight from the Naval Research Laboratory has noted that high-resolution Hubble Space Telescope images reveal intricate details in the coma structure that don't conform to standard comet models. One of the most perplexing aspects is the object's estimated age of 7 billion years, older than our entire solar system, which really raises questions about how such ancient materials have remained preserved during eons of cosmic radiation exposure. Tony Farnham from the University of Maryland has documented irregular outgassing patterns that suggest complex subsurface processes we honestly don't fully understand. The Discovery team, led by Daryl Seligman, acknowledges that many fundamental questions remain unanswered. What star system did it originate from? What caused its ejection into interstellar space? And perhaps most intriguingly, could there be more to this object than meets the eye? These mysteries ensure that 3I Atlas will remain a subject of intense scientific scrutiny. The alien question. Here's where the discussion takes a fascinating and honestly controversial turn that has divided the scientific community. Avi Loeb, the Frank B. Baird Jr. Professor of Science at Harvard University and former chair of the Astronomy Department, has gained international attention for suggesting that some interstellar objects might be artificial in origin. Following his controversial proposals about Oumuamua, Loeb has expressed interest in 3Y Atlas, noting that its unusual characteristics warrant careful investigation of all possibilities, including artificial origins. Sarah Seeger from MIT has emphasized the importance of maintaining scientific rigor while remaining open to extraordinary possibilities, stating that we must examine every aspect of these rare visitors. The Galileo project, led by Loeb at Harvard, represents a systematic scientific approach to searching for evidence of extraterrestrial technology in our solar system. However, most mainstream astronomers, including Paul Chodas from NASA's Center for Near-Earth Object Studies, maintain that natural explanations can account for the observed properties of interstellar objects. Robert Warwick, discoverer of Oumuamua, has consistently argued that these objects, while unusual, fall within the expected range of natural cosmic phenomena. The debate really highlights the importance of maintaining scientific skepticism while remaining open to paradigm-shifting discoveries. Dawn of a new era. The discovery of 3I Atlas signals the beginning of a revolutionary era in astronomy, where interstellar objects will become regular subjects of scientific study rather than once-in-a-lifetime discoveries. Mark Norris from the University of Central Lancashire predicts that advancing technology will soon make these detections routine, fundamentally changing how we study galactic dynamics and planetary system formation. The Vera Rubin Observatory, which began full operations in 2025, is expected to revolutionize interstellar object discovery with its ability to scan the entire visible sky every few nights using advanced LSST camera technology. Michelle Bannister from the University of Canterbury estimates that within the next decade, we'll have discovered dozens of these cosmic wanderers, providing statistical samples large enough to understand their origins and distribution throughout the galaxy. Robert Yadika from the University of Hawaii calculates that the improved ATLAS survey system, now operating telescopes in Hawaii, Chile, and South Africa, will detect several interstellar objects annually. This technological revolution means that each new discovery will add pieces to the cosmic puzzle of how materials, and potentially life itself, are distributed throughout our galaxy. The age of interstellar archaeology has officially begun, promising to unlock secrets about distant worlds and the formation of our cosmic neighborhood that have remained hidden for billions of years. From its mysterious origins billions of years ago to its spectacular journey through our solar system, 3I Atlas has challenged everything we thought we knew about interstellar visitors. Whether it's a natural cosmic wanderer or something more extraordinary remains to be discovered. As this ancient traveler continues its path back to the stars, it leaves behind more questions than answers, and opens our minds to possibilities we're only beginning to imagine. Like, share and subscribe to InnoVision Tech for more incredible discoveries from the cosmos.